chilly one. It's not gonna get out of the 30s today. But been here in Damascus the last 3 nights, 2 days, and pretty cool. I'll zoom it in, but right up there you can see snow and ice and stuff. So I guarantee you, where I'm going, it's gonna be a little Tetris today. What's up, everybody? So, apologies, but for some reason or another, yesterday I didn't record a single thing. I don't know, I was just in the zone and just riding, and yeah. But we made it to Elizabethton, and then my buddy T-Bone picked me up. Show you a picture of us right now. And I stayed the night at his place last night. Him and his wife, they were absolutely amazing. Been following me for a long time. And cooked me dinner last night, then breakfast this morning, and then dropped me back off here in town. I'm on the Tweety or something or another trail for just a little bit, and then, but we got about 10 miles or so to get the boots off. I got a couple packages there, and we're probably going to have to sit there a couple of days, because I'll show y'all once we get there, but my rack on my top cradle on my rack is broke, and my replacement cradle that they're sending me hasn't got here yet. So, and it's pretty well shot, so we can't leave boots off until that gets there. So we may end up having to hang around a couple days. Yeah, anyways, it's an absolutely beautiful day, and let's get the boots off. It's nice, it's keeping me off the road for a little bit. Where's the best thing? We're going to be on the busy highway. Which they don't look like they're going too fast. And it's got wide shoulders, so. really cool.